I will show you how you can find your stream key to stream on Streamer Live Simulator 2 in just a few steps. So all you need to do is go to your PC or your computer and press F to use it. Then you can also press F to focus on the screen. And the stream key is the key that you will need to stream on OBS. So to get it, you need to go to the web, and then you need to go to Dudu, which is the website that will allow you to stream. So right here you will find the stream key, and with that stream key you just need to put it on OBS right here, and it will allow you to stream. And this is also useful for the Donate Lab application, which will require you to put your stream key in order to get donations. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.